Hi, this is Nilesh Jogal, the founder of Jogi Ayurved Hospital, Surat, Gujarat. Friends, our first priority in current pandemic is to save ourselves, our family members, our colleagues and our people from the infection of coronavirus. And today I am going to share you something very important, very imperative information which can save us all from the infection of coronavirus. This experience I have shared in local media and social media, and I have also written about this experience to PMO, and today I am again sharing in English so that more and more people can benefit from it. Now let me share what it is. Friends, this is an Ayurvedic hospital situated in the city of Surat, Gujarat, and the hospital is engaged in Ayurvedic treatment, consulting, Panchkarma and Garbha Sanskar. In the last week of May, almost after lockdown, the first patient of corona positive was reported in hospital, and at that time the situation was very challenging. Everyone was in panic because obviously at that time there was almost no clarity to anybody what to do and what not to do in order to save ourselves from corona infection. So we introduced the simple practice of steam inhalation for the entire staff in the month of May, and by now, I mean by December, it's almost 6-7 months, and during the meantime more than 4,000 corona positive patients have been treated successfully by this hospital. You can understand that those corona positive patients came in direct touch, in direct contact, in direct interaction with the entire staff during the processes of registration, counseling, medication, consulting, etc. But so far, none of our staff members have found corona positive. None of them have developed any symptoms of corona. The practice is very simple. You need to inhale plain steam, plain water steam by your nostrils and exhale from the mouth. This you need to do 10 times. Inhale from the nostrils, exhale from the mouth, and then vice versa. Inhale from the mouth and exhale from the nostrils. This also 10 times, and the entire process will not take more than 2-3 minutes. It's that simple. I have been sharing this experience on social media since long, and people keep on asking what to add in the water while we inhale the steam. It's absolutely no necessity of adding anything, but if you like aroma, you can still add ajwain or eucalyptus. Otherwise, plain steam will be equally effective. The apparatus of steam inhalation is very cheap. It should cost you only around 200 to 300 rupees. If you don't find any electrical instrument, you can take steam even from our kitchen utensils. Friends, when we started this practice, we also were not aware to what extent the practice of steam inhalation will be efficient to keep ourselves protected from corona infection. And we were also skeptical, but now we are very much confident. It's our experience. Almost 6-7 months interaction with 4,000 COVID positive patients, and still we are corona safe. And this is what we understand is the only miracle of steam inhalation. I have been sharing my experience on social media since long. Many people, individuals, offices, social groups, even hospitals have started the practices of steam inhalation at their places, and I have received all positive feedbacks across India. Whoever have implemented this practice have been able to protect themselves from corona infection. Not only this, some doctors believe that if every individual of India inhales steam twice in a day on regular basis only for 30 days, it will be very difficult to find even a single corona positive from entire India. This is the efficacy of steam inhalation. Friends, the process of steam inhalation is very simple, very handy, and it costs nothing. Every individual can afford it, but still it is the most efficient tool, the most effective way to prevent ourselves from coronavirus. Do it to experience it. Thank you very much.